Welcome to week 6 and happy Monday. I wanted to go over what we will be doing this week. So, on the discussion and a few of the assignments this week, we are going to be focusing on auditing. So, the discussion is going to be asking you to read an article and what 3 goals would you set before starting an article and why did you choose these? Um, they assignment labeled coding auditing coding practice, that is due for a grade, so you want to make sure that you do complete that even though it says practice. And then we'll have the scenarios again this week. I will say they're a little bit easier than what they have been, so hopefully I'll go over those in a little bit more detail in a minute. But the main focus of this week is just going to be focusing on the coding audit report. So make sure that you open each template. Basically, what you're going to be doing, and I want to strongly encourage you guys to do this, is these are the cases that you're going to be reviewing. So you're going to want to pull up the cases in 3M. And I would strongly encourage you to put this set in 3M and utilize the resources to see does it make sense that they've coded this, and just use any resources that are in 3M to assist you with this. But you're basically going to be looking at what the coder did and identify, did they miss any codes? Did the coder assign any inaccurate? What advice or coding reference? So if there's a coding clinic, if there's a coding guideline, then you're going to want to make sure that you include that. Um, so that one's pretty straightforward. And now I just jumped over to the quiz, so I want to go through a couple of main points with this. So this first thing is asking you to assign the ICD-10 code. And the purpose of this procedure is really to assess the fetal lung maturity. So they're checking to see how developed the lung is. So this will be an encounter code, just as an FYI, it'll be a Z code. And then the same thing, it's the same case. So you're going to want to assign a um, a procedure code for this procedure. And then on this one, just keep in mind you do code from the final pathology report. So make sure that you're not having a symptom code. It will be there is a confirmed diagnosis on this. And then the last one is the same case. So you're just going to assign a CPT code for the excision of the left um, lump in the neck. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will talk to you soon.